You know what they call me? Young reseller.
Winter time, the beam of color Danny Glover's neck. Better be careful who you running with. I'm at the top of the food chain, there's blood inside the water. I had to grow up fast because I had to feed my daughter right. Make this right at the light, Papa Yui, lit the ooey. Now I'm higher than some Ewins, breezing on the bell rocket, sheepskin, sheepshead bay.
Nah, just resell. Since 8 o'clock,
7.
I slept on the roads. Pretty lit night, to be honest.
Yeah, I got the velour, Triferg, and I got fleece, crew neck, and move it. I got polo, M, 2 T's, and I got polo tech as well.
Nice.
Palace Triferg. We've got that Palace crew neck in it. I got that.
Damn, Bronson, why you be that way? Bitch, I'm still that same motherfucker that you know from youth, from Goop Troop. Now you sticking drugs inside your poop shoe. New coops on the dude.
Color in one size. One of them color? Yeah, so I think it's 2 level. Transporter 2.
Oh, cool.
Nice and clean.
Got a hoodie, tee, the other two, the velour, and the crew neck, and the trainers. Nice, nice. Sweet.
Crew neck, move it tee, velour jacket,
Nice.
trackies, polo, shoes.
Flexing heavy, perfect plex a pussy at the Getty. I'm out for Fetty. Pull the limo on the lawn, jump out. I'm just hallucinating acid in the Knicks hat. Burner in the dress pants, knife inside my left hand. Now there's just a dead lamb. Trying to feed my fam. Oh yeah.